So you can see that here I have an audio clip. So what I want to do is I want to slow this music down. So just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to delete the first and last part of the audio wave so that it does not take much time to actually process everything out. So I'm just going to delete everything out. So I only have this thing to work with. So let me just play that out to hear how it sounds. So what I can do is I can either speed up or slow down the audio itself. In order to do that, I can simply go into effects right here, go into time and pitch, and here you can see that there's stretch and pitch options, stretch and pitch process. So let me just click on that. And over here you can see that the preview editor is actually loading it. It is actually converting the file for us so that it can preview the stretch and pitch option. So here you can choose algorithm, as you can see right here. So you can I'm just going to choose Audition right now. We're going to see this later on as well. So you can see that on the Audition there's a bit less options right there, and over here in Audition itself there's final stretch itself as well. So over here you can see that there's the stretch option. So right now this is the regular speed, so let me just play that out. So now it has stretched this pitch into 430%, which is the value that was set. Now let me just set that back to 100% itself and hear how that sounds. So I want to slow down that just a bit. So I'm gonna say 120%, and it's gonna slow down the audio wave by 120% only, and it's gonna be a bit slower now. But you do hear that there are some artifacts over there in the sound because we slowed the audio down. If you want to speed things up, however, I'm gonna say something like 50%. It's gonna be way fast now. So let us play that out. So you can see that you can slow down audio and even stretch and speed up audio just like that by using stretch. Another thing that you might want to work with is pitch shift right there. So let us hear how that sounds now. If you want to increase it, I can simply increase the pitch and it'll be much more sharper. The pitch will be much more sharper now. And you can also reduce that out. So that's how you can work with stretch and pitch inside of Adobe Audition. Let me just click apply over here by applying the fastest pitch. And so just click apply. So that's how you can work with stretch and pitch controller inside of Adobe Audition. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.